green chicken and green rice. Oh, yeah. Am I cutting it right? Josh.
Mama.
Let's go.
Ooh.
Joshua, it is St. Patrick's Day, and plum turned yellow, didn't they?
How did it do that?
Science, Josh. Why didn't we think of broccoli? We should have added broccoli to the lime rice with cilantro and chicken. This is going to be a good healthy meal.
The outside.
And that's okay. I'm trying to fish out the lime flavor. Now, what we can do is take a lime and just squeeze on top. That might work.
It's going to be St. Patrick's Day tomorrow and the next day in the